In today's rapidly evolving world, the demand for reliable and sustainable energy solutions has never been greater. Generators, often seen simply as backup power sources, are in fact remarkable builders of energy continuity and efficiency. They bridge the gap between energy demand and supply, ensuring that homes, industries, and critical infrastructures remain powered even when conventional sources fail. Beyond mere functionality, modern generators are becoming masters of sustainable energy, integrating cleaner fuels, advanced technologies, and innovative designs that minimize environmental impact. By harnessing the power of these energy builders, we are not only securing a dependable energy future, but also taking vital steps toward a greener, more sustainable planet.
Generators are the builders and doers of the human design world, the ones who bring ideas to life and create tangible results. They possess a deep, sustainable energy that fuels them through long hours of work and complex projects, especially when they are engaged in activities that resonate with their passions. This energy isn't just endurance. It's a consistent, regenerative force that allows them to keep moving forward without burning out, making them natural powerhouses of productivity. When generators are aligned with what they love, their work ethic becomes unmatched. They approach challenges with dedication and focus, turning even the most daunting tasks into opportunities for growth and achievement. Beyond their ability to work tirelessly, generators carry a magnetic presence. By simply doing what excites them, they naturally attract opportunities, collaborators, and like-minded individuals into their lives. Their energy becomes a beacon, drawing success, connection, and abundance without force. In essence, generators don't just get things done, they build a life and environment that thrives through their sustainable energy, passion, and authentic magnetism. Generators, despite their immense energy and drive, face unique challenges that arise when their natural rhythm is disrupted. One of the most common challenges is frustration. This often occurs when they are engaged in work or projects that do not resonate with their true desires, or when they try to force outcomes instead of responding to what life naturally presents. Frustration signals that their energy is being misdirected, and ignoring it can lead to a sense of stagnation or dissatisfaction. Another challenge is overcommitment. Generators have a remarkable capacity to work and persevere, which can sometimes lead them to take on more than they can handle. In their desire to help, achieve, or prove themselves, they may stretch their energy too thin, agreeing to tasks and responsibilities that ultimately drain them rather than energize them. If these patterns continue, burnout becomes a real risk. Unlike temporary fatigue, burnout for generators stems from sustained engagement in activities that do not honor their authentic energy and passions. It can leave them feeling depleted, disengaged, and disconnected from their natural drive. Learning to recognize what truly energizes them, pacing themselves, and setting boundaries are essential strategies for generators to avoid these pitfalls and maintain their sustainable, powerful energy. Now, let's explore the natural energy flow of generators and discover how they can attract abundance. By understanding how their sustainable energy works and learning to align with what truly excites them, generators can tap into a powerful flow that draws opportunities, resources, and success effortlessly into their lives. Generators are not designed to initiate. Their power lies in responding to what life naturally brings to them. This could be an idea that sparks their curiosity, an opportunity that excites them, or a person who resonates with their energy. When generators respond with a full, enthusiastic yes, they create a powerful momentum that propels them forward, opening doors to abundance in all areas of life. Their energy is magnetic. By engaging only in what truly excites them, they naturally draw opportunities, collaborations, and relationships that align with their purpose. This alignment is the key to sustainable success, as it allows generators to invest their energy in endeavors that not only fulfill them, but also generate long-term results. Patience is essential. Rushing or forcing action can lead to frustration, but waiting for the right spark ensures that every effort flows effortlessly and produces meaningful impact. In essence, generators attract abundance not by chasing it, but by responding to life's invitations with clarity, enthusiasm, and authenticity. Their energy, when aligned, becomes a beacon, pulling in the right people, projects, and circumstances, turning passion into productivity and purpose into prosperity. Generators produce their most abundant and sustainable energy when they engage in activities they genuinely enjoy. Their energy is naturally regenerative, but it reaches its fullest potential when directed toward projects, tasks, and interactions that spark excitement and fulfillment. By prioritizing what brings them joy, whether it's creative work, meaningful connections, or personal passions, they not only maintain high energy levels, but also align themselves with the natural flow of life. This alignment acts like a magnet, drawing abundance in all forms: financial opportunities, career growth, supportive relationships, and valuable resources. When generators focus on what excites them rather than what they feel obligated to do, they cultivate a momentum that makes success feel effortless. Joy becomes both the fuel and the compass, guiding them toward experiences and outcomes that resonate deeply with their authentic selves. In essence, the more generators prioritize joy, the more they unlock their natural power to attract abundance and live a fulfilling, energized life. The sacral center is the generator's internal compass, guiding them toward what truly aligns with their energy and purpose. This center communicates through a simple yet powerful response: the for yes and the for no. By tuning into these signals, generators can make decisions that are authentic, energizing, and in harmony with their natural rhythm. Listening to their gut allows generators to discern which opportunities, projects, and relationships will sustain their energy and which will drain it. When they follow this inner guidance, they avoid frustration, overcommitment, and burnout, instead channeling their energy into activities that genuinely excite them. Abundance naturally flows as a result. Money, opportunities, supportive relationships, and personal fulfillment all gravitate toward them because they are operating in alignment with their true self. In essence, trusting their gut is not just a decision-making tool. It is the key that unlocks their sustainable energy, magnetism, and the effortless flow of abundance into their lives. Generators thrive when their energy is directed toward activities that inspire and engage them. When they become involved in work, projects, or situations that drain their energy, they inadvertently create blocks to abundance. Frustration, fatigue, and disillusionment build up, diminishing the natural magnetic energy that allows them to attract opportunities, resources, and supportive relationships. Sustained engagement in draining tasks can lead to burnout, resentment, and a sense of stagnation, making it difficult for generators to tap into their full potential. Conversely, by consciously choosing to focus on work and activities that energize them, generators maintain a consistent flow of vitality, creativity, and enthusiasm. This alignment not only enhances their productivity, but also amplifies their natural magnetism, drawing the right people, circumstances, and opportunities into their lives with ease. Avoiding energy-draining work is not about laziness or avoidance. It is a strategic practice that ensures their sustainable energy fuels both personal fulfillment and the effortless attraction of abundance. Generators have a remarkable ability to attract abundance when their energy is aligned with what they truly desire. Their magnetic energy draws opportunities, resources, and relationships that naturally support their growth and fulfillment. However, it is not enough to simply work hard or pursue passions. They must also remain open to receiving the benefits of their efforts. Trusting the flow of life is essential. When generators stay receptive, They allow the universe to deliver rewards in ways they might not have anticipated. Opportunities may come through unexpected channels. Relationships can appear at just the right moment, and resources may manifest in forms they had never imagined. By embracing an open and trusting mindset, generators avoid blocking abundance through doubt, hesitation, or resistance. In essence, receiving is as important as generating. Their energy creates momentum, but openness allows that momentum to translate into tangible rewards, growth, and lasting fulfillment. Generators experience their greatest abundance when they immerse themselves fully in work that excites and fulfills them. Their energy thrives on engagement, and the more they devote themselves to projects they are passionate about, the more their natural vitality grows. This deep involvement allows them to develop mastery in their craft, refining their skills, and building a sense of purpose that resonates on both a personal and professional level. As generators dedicate themselves to meaningful work, abundance begins to flow naturally. Their commitment and expertise attract support from others, open doors to new opportunities, and bring resources that align with their goals. This is not merely a matter of effort. It is the energy of authenticity and passion in action that draws success and fulfillment. By trusting the process, staying aligned with their interests, and consistently putting their energy into creation, generators turn their work into a magnet for prosperity, growth, and long-term satisfaction. In essence, abundance is not separate from their work. It emerges through the very act of doing what they love and cultivating their natural talents to their fullest potential.